Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a wolf. So it's going to be a pencil sketch. So I'm taking the 6B pencil. You can see the 6B here. All right. So let's start from the top, the drawing. So it has a rough texture like the small heirlooms. Okay. So usually its skin is not exposed like the humans, so that's why I'm putting lots of these types of characters like the small particles like the you can see here. All right, so you can see it's like a shape of a half circle. Then we're just doing another opposite one like this one. Just draw like this, follow the steps, and if you follow all the steps then the drawing is going to be nice. Okay, all right, so you can see that it's progressing. All right, so it's looking like this. So it's like a something like mango, right? So when you draw the mango it looks like that one, but it's there are some spaces we left, and in these two spaces we are going to put the ears. So let's put the ears here, drawing like this. All right, so just emphasizing the boldness of the lines. Okay, and also another one little bit like the parallel of the upward lines. So parallel one is a little one inside, there's the inside parts of the ears. Okay, so this is one ear and another ear is going to be here. First we are going to draw the outside borders of the ear. Okay, then it comes and we are connecting the points just like progressing this one and connecting to the end. Okay, now we're going to draw the inside parts of the ear. Okay, just putting the hatches like this. Because we are using 6B pencils, that's why it's getting more darker of the line drawings. Okay, so you can see the two ears here. All right, and it has a long nose, so which is extended. Okay, just putting the nose. Okay, the combinations of the this moving of these pencils like this up and down, it gives the drawing a different texture. Okay, so in the last end we're just drawing something like the glass sunglass or the spectacles. Okay, so for the nose we are just putting two of them like this black curves, and also a separation points at the ends. Okay, so you can see the nose here, and after that from the nose, below the nose you can see a mouth is coming up, and draw the mouth like this. Okay, and coming up to these points. Okay, so the shape is getting the head and the face. That one was the top part of the mouth. Now we are going to draw the bottom part of the mouth. All right, so you can see the bottom part here. mm-hmm. Bottom part here. All right, okay, so this is going to be the nice drawing. So this part is extended and another part is coming up from their side. All right, and it's just going to merge almost near at his face. Okay, all right. All right, and we're going to draw another parts like this which is similar to that one. Okay, All right, so something like irregular shapes because of the fur it's in its skin. So lots of parts in the skin. That's why the tone is little bit different, but it's getting the usual shape of the face. Now we are extending the neckline from here, but we're not drawing the complete the whole body. We're just drawing the partial figure to express the real picture and real, the animal here. Okay, so the wolf, it's a popular character in Hollywood movies and so many old tales. It has so many connections for the red Indian tales too. That's why it's very known animal to us. And you can see I'm extending another line. Okay, for the eye here. All right, and another one here extended here. Okay, and we can see the extended points also in this portion here. I'm going to draw the the eyes now. Okay, so you can see the eyes here. Okay, and a darker eyeball inside. Okay, another eye you can see here. Mhm. And the darker eyeball inside. Few shades you can put from these positions. Mhm. That's why it's making the drawing a lively one. Okay, all right. Also emphasizing the points here. Mhm. Now I'm going to put the shades to express and to show the visualizations more lively. Mhm. All right. Putting the colors for the eyes here, little bit soft color. Okay, also putting some shades here, so this is going to emphasize the 3D effect of the wolf here. This wolf is getting 3D effect. So you can see that when you put the shades, you're just making one side little bit darker, and as it progresses to the other side, it's getting lighter for the shades. So these rules, basic rules, is applied for all over the drawings, which is making the drawings more lively and more interesting. Mhm. Because of the the positions of the light source, that's why one side is to the light, which is a lighter combinations, and another one is on the opposite sides of the light, that's the darker part. Okay, so the sketch is getting wonderful. Okay, also putting longer strokes for the neckline. It's little bit the longer strokes. Okay, you can see I'm not editing the any part of the video, just to show that how it looks like the uh, real time pictures. So if you draw the pictures in a real time, how much time it may take, you can have a clear idea. So what I'm drawing in front of you, it's like the real-time drawing. So that's why I'm just trying to put the drawings as fast as possible, because I don't wanna take more time from you guys. So you can see the line drawing is almost finished, and also in this sector you can see the uh, top positions and the ears. Okay, and more drawings with this part too. So this is the you can see the wolf. All right. Mhm. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.